represent a real estate agency, deepgayrimenkul. Is in Turkey, in Mersin. We are in large complex near the sea. In this complex, we got very high quality materials. I invite you to see the apartment. Now we are in the living room and kitchen area, and this flat selling by with all furnitures. Also, you can see the sea from the kitchen window. Now we are in a large balcony that can be accessed from the living room. This balcony has a sea view. Now we are in bedroom. It has a large shower and toilet and necessary furniture. Now we are in bedroom. This bedroom has an air conditioner and a radiator and some furnitures. Now we are in another bedroom. This bedroom is bigger than before we showed you. So it has also a radiator and private balcony, and this private balcony also has sea view. This complex has a really big swimming pool. It also has a closed swimming pool and a gaming park and street gym and also barbecue places.